Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope all of you are very good, alhamdulillah, and welcome to my class. Today, you know that yesterday we have discussed about what is percentage, what is profit, what is loss, and today we are going to solve this related problem from exercise 2.2. So first, just let me know my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not, or any kinds of disturbance, or just let me know everything is okay or not, my dear student. Within few seconds we are going to start our class. Just write your comments there. Almost okay. So I think I can take a little. Inshallah. Okay, so just write your comments, everything is okay or not. Someone just write your comments, my dear student. I didn't see your comments here. So that's it. Come on. Scheiße. Yeah. All okay? Okay, thank you so much. Now I have seen, I think. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, 2.2. Look at that here. Yesterday in girls section, I finished up to 1 and 2 problems only, and in boys sections I get little more time, and I have done here 3 and 4. So especially my girl student, if you want, you can make copy. Just takes 1 minute time or 2 minutes time. Make copy these 2 problems. I think this is not very difficult. Okay, just given in the questions, the 1 kg rice, okay, bought by 40 taka, and the person bought this 40 kg rice. Yes, number 3, the Robbie bought for 50 kg rice. Okay, Robbie, one person, his name is Robbie. Okay, and he bought 50 kg rice. Per kg rice costing price was 40 kg, so this costing price of 50 kg rice here is 2000, and he sold it 44 taka per kg. So I just find out here the selling price of 50 kg rice here, 44 into 50, it is selling price. Okay, and this we have seen here, and we know that when this selling price is greater than buying price, it should be a profit. Okay, so here we have seen here is 2200 and here is 2000, so of course this profit margin occurred here. So profit amount equals 2200 minus 2000 equals 200. Okay, so 200 taka is profit, just that is the answer. Okay, how much profit he has done, that's it. Okay, and number 4, what it is given, this costing price is 50 taka. What it is, number 4 is the buying price of milk beta milk. Okay, I didn't write the name milk beta milk, it's not a problem. Okay, the buying price of milk is 52 taka and selling price 55 taka, so per liter made profit 3 taka. How I get it, this profit amount equals selling price minus buying price. All the time when this profit occurred, selling price must be greater than buying price. Okay, when this loss happened there, of course this buying price must be greater than selling price. Okay, so here is profit, so profit amount equals 52 minus 55 minus 52, here is 3 taka. Okay, so how we can find out the percentage always, or profit margin or loss always related to buying price. Okay, so for 52 taka made profit 3 taka, for 1 taka profit equals 3 divided by 52. Okay, that is not the part of 52, this is we get from 100. Okay, so for 100 taka, this 3 divided by 52 into 100. Okay, so what is the percentage, this 75 by 13, it is improper fractions, and we convert it to mixed fraction. That is the first 2 problem which already I have done in boys sections yesterday, and that is why I am telling that only girls student you can make copy or you can take a screenshot, and after that we are going to next problem. Okay, we are going to next problem. So what is the next problem there? Number 5, some chocolates were bought at 8 taka per piece. Okay, 8 taka per piece, and sold them 8.5 taka per piece. Then the profit was 25 taka. How many chocolates were bought? Okay, so the question is okay, some chocolates bought, and what is the rate of the price? The price is per chocolate, this buying price is 8 taka. 1 chocolate buying price is 8 taka and selling price is 8.5 taka. So from 1 chocolate we get this 0.5 taka as a profit. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you are listening clearly, and of course all of you understood this 3 and 4 problems. Just write the comments and don't write any why what goes to I think now it is perfect. Okay, so 91 student here. Rahas sir is watching. Rahas sir, assalamu alaikum. Rukaya Zaman Rais, yes sir, thank you so much. Okay, so my dear student, just write the comments. Okay, all of you understood or not? So I am going to solve number 5. Okay, number 5. If all of you, especially from girls sections, if all of you finish your writing, then I'm going to number 5. Okay, so number 5, problem number 5. What it is? Some chocolate was bought, and what is the rate of the chocolate? Buying price is 8 taka per piece, and 8.5 taka the selling price of per piece. Okay, so given, we are writing here, given what? The buying price of buying price of one chocolate, buying price of one chocolate. Okay, I've written just here the short form chocolate. Okay, this is chalk. Is buying price of one chocolate 8 taka, or I can write this way, 80k8. Okay, and selling price of one chocolate, okay, is 8.5 taka, 8.5 or 8.50, no problem, 8.50 taka. So what is the profit here? This profit amount per chocolate, profit amount from one chocolate equals 8.5. You know that selling price minus buying price is very easy chapter, I think. Okay, so what it is? 0.50 taka. Okay, so from one chocolate this profit amount is 0.5 taka, and the seller made 25 taka profit. So how many chocolate he has bought? That is the question. So we need to find out how many chocolates were bought. Okay, so now we can write now 0.5 taka, okay, profit comes 0.5 taka comes as a profit from one chocolate. I think this sentence become longer. So 0.5 taka profit from one chocolate, okay, so 0.5 taka profit from one chocolate, and 1 taka profit from 1 divided by 0.5 chocolate. Okay, so I know the same questions, I think most of you or some of you who understand math very clearly, you may ask the question, sir, how we can write 1 by 0.5, how it become? Okay, so look at that here, this 1 taka is 0.5 taka profit from one chocolate. So when we write 1 taka, of course it should be bigger, but the condition is when the result will be bigger we have to multiply, but here we have divide. Why? What is the reason behind that? Because for whole number, when you multiply whole number by whole number, the result will be big, result will be increased, result will be enlarged. But if you multiply this less than 1, I mean 0.5, 0.13 or something like that, if you multiply, the result will be smaller. Do you know that? If you multiply this decimal number by any number, the result will be smaller. That is why I have divide here. If you divide, the result will be bigger. This is totally reverse. Do you understand what I am telling to you? 101 student watching. Okay, so do you understand what is the factor why I have divide here? Already you have basic idea that when we think the result will be big, for example this 0.5 taka profit from one chocolate, so 1 taka profit must be more than one chocolate, of course, so result will be this big. result will be large, so we have to multiply. But the condition is, if you multiply this less than 1, I mean point or decimal number, the result will be smaller. That is why and if you divide any number by decimal number, the result will be bigger. That is why I have divide here. Do you understand what is the condition here? So for example here, if you divide 1 by 0.5, the result will be 2. So it's perfect. Okay, so total how many takas he has profit? 25 taka. So in total made profit 25 taka. So 25 taka profit from how many chocolates? Okay, we have to find the number of chocolates, total number of chocolates, where from the seller make profit 25 taka. So 1 into 25 divided by 0.5. Okay, so 0.5, what does it mean? 0.5 means half. Okay, 0.50 or 0.5, no problem. 0.50 and 0.5 is same thing, this half. So you can solve this problem in different way, but I am just showing you this very easiest way. 1 into 25 divided by 0.5 means half. 0.5, what is the meaning of 0.5? 0.5 is half. So we can write 25. Okay, we can write 1 into 25. I think I have to write there. Yes, sir, very good. Okay, so I'm just showing you here 1 into 25, or directly you can write 25. Okay, it become reverse, so 2 will go to, or you can write this way even, 25, you can write 25 into 2 divided by 1. Okay, it's also fine. Or you can write what I wrote, you can write 1 into 25. Okay, divided by 1, and 2 goes up. Yeah, you can write here 1 into 2. You can write this way also, 25 into 2 by 1, it's also fine, and 1 into 25 into 2, it's also fine, because in the denominator place, if we get any fraction, the fraction become reverse. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you understood. So how many chocolate he has bought? Is 25 into 2, that means 50 chocolates. 50 chocolates. Okay, or if you don't want to convert this one into fraction, for example, you are not interested to convert, or directly you can do it. For example, here again I'm showing it 1 into 25 in different way. I am showing which method you like, you can apply. Okay, first thing this way, and this is the second way. Second way is the 25 divided by 0.5. So for 0.5 it is 1, and for 1 place it is 0. Okay, for 0.5 it is 1 here. Okay, and for 1 place it is 0. So now what it is? 1 into 25 into 10 divided by 5. So 5 into 2, so it is 50 chocolate. 50. In any way, which method or which way you are just feeling easy, you can choose it, no problem. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you understood. If you don't understand, just write in the comments. I will read your comments and try to reply. Okay. Write your comments. I want to see what you are writing here. Yes sir, very good. All of you are writing yes sir, understood. So it's really good. If I get any kinds of comments who has written don't understand, then I will try to explain it again. Okay, otherwise I think we can start next problem. Okay, so what is the next problem there? Next problem is number 6. Number 6, what it is? A shopkeeper bought cloth at the rate of 120 taka per meter and sold it 150 taka per meter. Then he gained 2000 taka as profit. How many meters of clothes did the shopkeeper buy? Okay, 125 taka is buying price. Look at that here. This is very simple, very easy. So one shopkeeper or the shop holder, we can say, this bought this clothes 125 taka per meter and sold it 150 taka per meter. So easily we have seen here he made profit 25 taka from 1 meter. Okay, so I think easily we can find, and total amount of money he has profit or he made profit is 2000. So the question is how many meters of cloths he has bought. Okay, so I think all of you complete your math. I'm just starting from here again. Okay, the same thing, almost same. This chapter I think easier than some other chapters. Okay, so number 6. Number 6, what it is? A shopkeeper bought cloth 125 taka per meter. Bought, that means buying price of 1 meter cloth is 125 taka, and he has sold 1 meter cloth 150 taka. What does it mean? 150 taka it is selling price and buying price is 125 taka. So easily we have seen here profit is 25 taka per meter. So given, we can write given in the question. Okay, given selling price of 1 meter cloth, 1 meter cloth is 125 taka. Selling price of 1 meter cloth 125 taka. 125 taka. Okay, selling price of 1 meter cloth 150 taka, right? 150 taka selling price, 150 taka, and buying price of 1 meter cloth, you can write buying price in the first sentence or you can write selling price in the first sentence. It doesn't matter. Okay, nothing is changed. So buying price of 1 meter cloth is, you can write is here. Okay, is 125 taka. So profit amount equals 150 minus 125. So what it is? 25 taka. So 25 taka per meter. 25 taka. Okay, 25 taka from 1 meter. Okay, and total profit amount is 2000. So how many meters of cloth he has bought? My dear student, I hope all of you understand what I am talking to you, what I am explaining to you, how I am explaining. I hope all of you understood. If you don't understand, if you're feeling like, no sir, I am not clear everything what you are telling me, okay, I will repeat it again. I will try to discuss in different way. Okay, just write in the comment box everything is okay or not. Okay, so it's very easy. I think this kinds of maths also you have done in previous class, I think. Okay, so 25 taka profit from 1 meter cloth, 25 taka. Now we can write 25 taka profit from 25 taka profit from 1 meter cloth. 1 meter cloth. Okay, so 1 taka profit from, of course, less than 1 meter cloth. Of course, it should be less than 1 meter cloth. That is why I am dividing 1 divided by 25. Okay, this part of cloth, not meter or what kind of problem, meter cloth. So total amount is 2000 taka profit from 1 into 2000 divided by 25. Okay, so 200, look at that here, 200 divided by 25, it is 8 and 0 here, so it is 80 meter. It's very clearly it is 80 meter. So it is 80 meter. It is 80 meter. Answer is 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter. I hope all of you understand. Okay, just write in the comments everything is okay or not. After every single maths, I am just cordially asking you, all of you understand or not. Okay, you can ask any question, you can write in the comments. Okay. Yes sir, understood. Our girls has really very I think very good student, number of good students, maximum good students in girls section, I think. Okay, they have written in their exam paper really good. Okay, most of them, not all. Some of you who don't understand, just you can ask me question. Okay, I try my level best to clear you. Okay, very good, wonderful comments you are writing, all of you. Okay, I want to tell one of my student, I forgot her name, I'm sorry. Okay, so I think she got 116 marks in 120. Can you imagine 116 marks out of 120? I'm talking about last exam held on 28th, I think 28th of April, and it's also some exams on May also, 2-3 I think. Okay, and after that you got your result few days before, and you know that one of your classmate, okay, she got 116, that is the highest mark, 116 marks out of 120. Can you imagine? 97%, 96.66 maybe, or 97%, 97% marks she carried. That is girl. So girls is amazing, I think. It's really wonderful. Congratulations, my dear student, all of you. And second positions who got this 115 marks, I'm not telling the name. Okay, I have also some restrictions because maybe I am not 100% sure, but maybe top 20 student list who carried this top 20 secured top 20 position. I think our authority will publish the result, maybe top 20 student name. I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, my dear student, just I'm telling the number of total number. Okay, how many points she carried. First position is 116, second position 115, and second position I think 115 marks also got from my section, Subhartishan. He is also really good student, mashallah. Okay, my dear student, all of you just write the comments, do you understand or not? Sir side, okay, side, no problem. Okay, Baba, I have taken the side. Okay, I think I can stand here. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay, sir. Sir, which section? Which section? I forget right now. Okay. Side. Okay, sir. Are you talking about total number? Yes, total number. Out of 274 students, few, I think, combinedly 2-3 students got second position, but first position 116. There's only one student, and she is girl, of course. Okay, I didn't get the result. You didn't get the result. I think there's some problem. Okay, but yes, sir, understood. Very good. Nadira Dina, thank you so much, Ammo. Very good student she is. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Okay. So don't understand. Ibrahim, Muhammad Ibrahim from my section 7B1. When I'm going to start next problem, you are telling me don't understand. Baba, where are you? She's girl, of course. Yes, she's girl, of course. Fatiha Iman, she's girl, of course. Girls power. Okay, sir, I also don't get the result. Okay, this time result has okay, I'm not talking about that these facts, because some problems also there. You can talk to your class teacher. You can talk to your class teacher. If you don't get your result, you can talk to your class teacher. Okay, my dear student. But I'm just telling, do you know that this is amazing? Do you know this 97% marks is not easy? It's really this only four marks less. This 120 out of 120, 116 marks. Anyway, my Muhammad Ibrahim from my section, he don't understand this math. Okay, I'm telling you again. This is very simple, very easy, Baba. Just we know that what is the buying price, what is the selling price. So if you know, for example, if you bought one product, anything, for example, box of pencil, if you bought 100 taka, for example, one box of pencil, you have bought 100 taka and sell it 120. Okay, so selling price is more than buying price. So when selling price, of course, you made 20 taka profit, easily you understood. I think the boy or girl who is 5 or 6 years old, if anything buy for a certain amount of money, for example 100 taka, and sell it 120, easily she or he can say, sir, I profit 20 taka easily. So look at that here, this buying price, selling price 150 taka, buying price 125 taka. So easily we can see here 25 taka is profit. So 150 minus 125, it is 25 taka easily. He made profit 25 taka, and in the question it is given, if he wants to make profit 2000 or made profit 2000, how many meters of clothes he has bought? That is the question. So 2000, this number given in the question. So 25 taka profit from 1 meter, 1 taka profit from less than 1 meter, and 2000 taka profit from more meter. Okay, so that is why I multiplied. Okay, I hope Muhammad Ibrahim you understood, Baba. Okay, sorry sir, understood. Okay, Ibrahim, thank you so much. Okay, so let's start next one. Next one, what it is? Next one, it is this. An items is bought 190 taka and sold at 175 taka. What is the percentage of profit? I think you can do it. Okay, number 8, the cost price of 25 meters of clothes is equal to the selling price of 20 meters of clothes. This is really interesting. So cost price of 25 meter and selling price of 20 meter is equal. So what is the percentage of profit? So cost price of 25 meters of clothes, I think clothes, 8 number meters of clothes. Yeah. So I'm doing this number 8. This one is a little bit tricky, and this type of math will come in the exam. This type of math. Okay, my dear student. So we have time, of course, right? Yeah. Okay, so number 8. Number 8, what it is? Buying price of 25 meters of cloths is equal to selling price of 20 meters of cloths. So do you know what is the buying price? Do you know? No, we don't know. We have no idea what is the buying price. So that is why I am just letting, okay, let buying price of 25 meter cloths is X taka. Okay, so buying price of 25 meter cloths is X taka. So buying price of 1 meter cloth equals X divided by 25 taka. Simple. Okay, 25 meters of cloths is buying price. It is not given here, so that is why we have just letting here this buying price of 25 meters of cloths is X taka. So buying price of 1 meter cloth X by 25 taka. This unit price, just 1 meter price. What kind of price? It is buying price. 1 meters of cloths buying price is X by 25 taka. It's very simple. All the time just choose the easy way how to find. Okay, don't choose the difficult way. I think sometimes you can forget how I solved this problem before. So that is why I'm just try to give this easiest way to solve the problem. Okay, so buying price of 25 meters cloth is X taka, buying price of 1 meter cloth is 25 taka, and selling price of 20 meter cloth is same as buying price. So of course 25, and selling price, now selling price of 20 meter cloths is X taka. Now you have question, sir, how it is? That's also X taka, here also X taka. How, sir? Because it's given in the question. Buying price of 25 meter cloths is same as selling price of 20 meter cloths. Do you understand? Look at the book number 8. The cost price of 25 meters of cloths is equal to the selling price of 20 meters of cloths. So we can write X here, because letting in X taka is the 25 meter cloths buying price. So we can say X taka same as 25 meter selling price. So selling price of 1 meter cloth, we can say it is X divided by 20 taka. So this is the unit price of selling price. Unit price of selling price here, unit price, so unit selling price. So selling price, look, X divided by 20 and X divided by 25. So which one is bigger? Of course X divided by 25. When in the denominator is smaller, so of course the fraction which has denominator is smaller than others, the smaller denominators must be greater fractions of other. So this one is of course bigger. I hope all of you understood why it is bigger. For example, now it is time to fruits. Okay, so you have, for example, you have how many? You have, for example, 6 mangoes. For example, 6 mangoes. So you are two friend of you. So you can eat 3 mangoes each. For example, this another friends come to you. So if you divide 6 mango by 3, it will be 2 per person. So if you divide this big number, this result will be small. If you divide small number, result will be big. This is very easy concept, and you don't need to find the exact result, because just if you understand this one is bigger, so you can say selling price is bigger, that means it is profit. So you can write a profit amount equals X minus, this one is bigger, selling price is bigger, so of course it is profit, X divided by 25. Okay, so what it is? 25 and 20 and 25. 20 and 25. What is the LCM of 20 and 25? What is the LCM of 20 and 25? I have it is 100. Okay, 100. So 100 divided by 20, it is 5x, and 100 divided by 25, it is 4x. Okay, so x divided by 100 taka, it is profit amount from 1 meter of cloth. So they told us what is the percentage of profit. What is the percentage of profit? The question was what is the percentage of profit? Yes. What is the percentage of profit and loss? So we are just finding percentage of profit and loss. Okay, already we get our profit amount from 1 meters of cloths. Okay, so this is the profit amount from 1 meter of cloths. So this amount profit comes from this amount. Why? Buying price. Profit always comes from buying price. Do you know that? So buying price. So this amount, by this amount we made profit x by 100. So now we can write by x divided by 25 taka, by x divided by 25 taka. Okay, 5 taka make profit how much? The x divided by 100 taka, x divided by 100 taka. Okay, profit always made by buying price, loss always made by buying price. Okay, depends on buying price. So by x divided by 25 taka make profit x divided by 100 taka. Okay, I am just ending within 1 or 2 minutes. So within by 1 taka makes profit equals x divided by 100, and this one become reverse, so it will be 25 divided by x. Okay, taka, and by 100 taka we have to find the percentage. So x into 25 into 100 divided by 100, sorry, x into 20, x into 25. Okay, x into 25 and 100, of course it is 100 here, and 100 into x. So this 100 goes in the numerator place. Okay, so in the numerator this 100 into x, 100 gone, x gone, it is 25 taka. 25 taka, and answer is 25%. Okay, my dear student, I hope all of you understood. This is not very difficult maths, I think. Okay, after completing this chapter I will provide a CQ sheet. If next exam will be on CQ, I will provide MCQ sheet if the next exam will be on MCQ. Okay, it depends on exam, what kind of exams will be next. Okay, so don't worry, you will get the some kind of examples. This, and you know that last exam also I have given already, we set up the questions based on class questions, what kind of problems we solve, what kind of examples, what kind of CQ problems we solve in the class. So just follow the class and try to attend every single class. Okay, I think you won't face any kinds of problem. Okay, my dear student, thank you so much, and see you in the next class inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.